Hey, what's up, peeps? It's Cooking with Mark. I'm going to do a quick little video here. And it's nothing extremely amazing or anything, but it's pretty delicious. You're going to like it. It's going to be pulled chicken made in the Instant Pot, or you can also make it in your Ninja Foodie. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Instant Pot. I'm going to put some chicken broth in here. I'm not going to measure it out. Like I do a lot of things, don't measure it out. I don't know, I put an inch or so in there. So we got about an inch. I'd say it's approximately 2 cups of chicken stock. Then I put in 4 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. We're gonna put some pink Himalaya salt in here. I'm not measuring it, so don't get crazy with the salt. Make it too salty. Some Himalaya salt, pink Himalaya salt, I like that. Some black pepper. So we threw some black pepper in there. And what's really going to be good about this, I got some fresh jalapenos and yellow banana peppers out of my garden. But that's not what's going to be good about it. What's going to be good about it is this spice here. It's called wannarub. It's a rub. You can use it on about any kind of meat. wannarub. wannarub.com is where you want to go. I'm just endorsing it. I don't get nothing for doing it. The guy is a vet and he started his own rub company. So, and it's really good stuff. If you're doing a no carb thing or something like that, it has less than 1 gram of carb for a 1/4 teaspoon. So that's less than 1 gram. But anyway, I'm not going to measure it out. I'm literally going to take this wannarub and I just seasoned over the top of that. So it's 4 pounds of chicken thighs, boneless, jalapeno peppers, sweet banana peppers, chicken broth, Himalaya salt, pepper, and this wannarub right here. This is Cooking with Mark. I like meat, and we're going to make some pulled chicken you can use on a sandwich. If you're doing the carnivore diet or the no carb, low carb thing, I guess, you could just eat this right out of a bowl. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and pressure cook this. So what we did is we put the lid on it. We're going to set it to pressure cook. We're going to set it on high. We're going to set it for approximately 21 minutes. And I'll show you when it's done. Thanks for watching. Cooking with Mark. wannarub. That's what's special about this. Now when this is done cooking, for anybody that ever used a pressure cooker Instant Pot, no steam is going to be released out of here until it's done cooking. What you do is you can release it. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to release it. I'm going to let it release itself. It may take an hour or so to do that. I'm in no hurry, but the reason why I'm going to allow it to release itself is I used jalapeno peppers and some sweet banana peppers, and if I release this steam into my kitchen, the house could become like the inside of a prison riot with CS gas everywhere. So if you're going to release the steam out, you might want to take it outside and being careful not to burn yourself or drop it on you to release the steam. If you release it in your house, like I said, you might end up with a situation with like someone set off a gas canister in your kitchen. So just a word of caution there. And like I said, thanks for watching Cooking with Mark. Something real simple, but what's really special and awesome about it's the rub. I don't get paid. I'm not a paid endorser of it. I'm just a user, and I like it. And that's good stuff. Support a vet. Alright, it's me again, Cooking with Mark. Okay, we cooked this chicken, 4 pounds of chicken, some Himalaya salt, some pepper, some fresh jalapenos, some fresh banana peppers, and we pressure cooked it on high for 21 minutes. And I like meat, that's why I cook chicken. But what I really like about this is it has this awesome spice, or awesome rub, should I say. It's called wannarub. You go to wannarub.com. It's really good stuff. It's good on everything. I actually put it on burritos and everything. So it's really good stuff. And it's a veteran-owned company. So support a vet. Check it out. So there's our chicken. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take that chicken and we're going to shred it. So you can see the chicken is tender. It's just falling apart. We're going to take it and put it into a mixer. Yep, we're putting it into a mixer. That's exactly what we're doing with it. That's how we're going to shred it. Easy way to shred it. It's an easy way to shred your chicken. I'm going to get a little spoon here. Sorry about my camera skills. My cameraman isn't here, but we're going to get this little spoon here. We're going to put all these little morsels in this mixer right here. And we got all the chicken in the mixer. We're going to take a little bit of juice, a little bit of the broth, put it in there just to keep it nice and tender. And we're going to go and mix this up. We're just going to use a mixer. We're going to mix it up. And it's a nice effective way to make your chicken or pork or whatever shredded. You can do beef. Makes it nice and shredded for nice sandwiches. You don't need to make it into a pate or liquid or anything, but you want to shred it up pretty good. Check it out. If it's too dry, add some more of the liquid. Add a little more liquid to it. We're gonna spin it we'll spin it one or two more times. It's more than shredded enough. That's about perfect right there. And there you have it. Check it out. Awesome chicken sandwiches. Awesome. Shredded chicken, jalapeno peppers, banana peppers, Himalaya salt. You can always change the recipe to suit yourself. Some wannarub, wannarub.com. You know what? I tasted it. It tastes pretty good. We're going to put another little bit of wannarub in here. Like I said, it's less than 1 carb for a quarter of a tablespoon. But you're not going to eat like all this yourself, so you're not going to exceed any crazy amounts of carbs. Sorry if I'm making you seasick with the... I'm going to stir this around. Cooking with Mark. I like meat. 1 pot, easy, very easy. Pulled chicken for sandwiches. You can throw some barbecue sauce in here. You can use pork. You can use beef. Instapot, 21 minutes. 4 pounds of boneless chicken breast. Hope you like my video. Support some wannarub. Get a better shot of it here. Support that. wannarub. Company owned by a vet. And thanks for watching. See you guys.